Hey everybody, how's it going? This is the intro video to my bus project. This is a 71 bay window. Little backstory on it. I picked it up on the side of the road. A guy was flat towing it with the tow bar and his tire blew out. So he spray painted his phone number on the side of the bus. Said that he'd be back later to pick it up, and my uncle saw it. Sent me the picture of it. I texted the guy and bought the bus for 200 bucks. It, I believe, was a parts bus. It did not have really anything at all with it. The transmission was gone, engine was gone, the wiring harness is a mess. Not really too much to go with it. It's got all the usual rough spots. This is going to be a roadsteration, not a restoration. I'm going to do the bare minimum to get it back on the road. My 72 Bug is my restoration. I'm just waiting on some body parts for that to come in to patch up some rust. But I do have the engine that was out of my Bug. I totally rebuilt it, and it turns out it is a universal case, so this will be going in the bus. I've also got the transmission over here. I picked that up recently. I have a 75 Westie that I actually got for free. It is a very complete bus, and it had that transmission inside of it. So I will be using that transmission and my engine to stick in this bus. This will be a big learning curve on welding. I have never welded in my life, maybe one or two things, and that was not great. I ended up purchasing a little Lincoln welder, a little 140 MIG over there in the corner with the gas bottle. So I will be learning as I go on fixing body panels and all the rest on this bus. So when it comes time to do my Bug, I will be a little bit better at it and won't mess anything up. So that's pretty much it for this bus. I will try to video as much as I can on the progress that I do, and hope you guys like it.